Hi, I'm Eric Parker with PSC Couplings. This video will demonstrate how to install a standard PSC Series 57 disc coupling with clearance fit hubs. This is an alternative installation process that does not involve collapsing the disc packs as shown in our installation video for interference fit hubs. However, either process will work for clearance fit hubs. Before beginning, please make sure you are using the necessary personal protective equipment and please review PSC's installation manual. With PSC's design, there are just a few components. 2 hubs, a center member, 2 disc packs, and standard fasteners. This installation will be demonstrated with the disc packs assembled to the center member, which is likely how you will receive the coupling. If you would like to see a demonstration on how the disc packs are assembled to the center member, please reference our other installation video. Before installing the coupling, please make sure to clean and degrease the counterbore surfaces of the hub flanges. Also, please make sure the connected equipment is positioned for the correct distance between shaft ends. We're going to start the installation by sliding the hubs onto the shafts. Locate the first hub at the end of the shaft and tighten the set screw so it can hold its position. Before we continue, it's a good practice to locate the second hub at the end of the shaft and measure the distance from the end of the hub to the connected equipment. Please make a note of this measurement. Now you can push this hub further down the shaft. Place the center member assembly between the shafts and thread the fasteners through the first hub flange into the disc pack. Now, slide the other hub up the shaft until it meets the disc pack on the other end of the center member. Thread the fasteners through the hub flange into the disc pack. Lightly tighten the fasteners on both hubs. Make sure the outer pilot plates on the disc packs are seated into the pilot bores of the hub flanges. Make sure the distance from the end of the second hub to the equipment matches the measurement taken earlier. Tighten the set screw on the second hub. Now is a good time to measure the disc gap in each disc pack. We want to confirm the disc packs are in their neutral axial position and not stretched or compressed. The disc gap is called the end dimension and is shown in Table 3 in our installation manual. It is helpful to measure this end dimension in several places around the disc pack. If the average measured end dimension exceeds values in Table 3, it may be necessary to make a slight adjustment by loosening the set screws and repositioning the hub on the shaft in order to bring disc packs closer to their neutral axial position. The final step is to tighten the cap screws to the required torque values. Table 4 in the installation manual gives the torque values for each coupling size. The installation manual also shows which order to tighten the cap screws. This is similar to tightening the lug nuts on a wheel of a car or truck. The assembly of the coupling is now complete. Once again, this is Eric Parker with PSC Couplings. Thank you for watching this demonstration.